All right, so day two, where we left off was with this little thing. Say hello, talk to Jarvis. Hello, sir. Ready for the day? So we gave it a couple kind of responses, like kind of defaultish, but it's something. So today, oh, and we oh no, we didn't. Okay. So yeah, let's uh let's go ahead and continue with it. Okay, so we're gonna integrate the memory now. So we made the memories.json. Looks like it's tied into command. So self comma command hello in command dot lower. Okay, so we want to load the memory. So memory will be equal to load memory and load memory. I think that's something we gotta add. So I was like, that naming convention doesn't look right. We use like snake language and what's it called? Encoding. Reference it to self. And disclaimer, I'm not like making this code myself. I'm using GPT or any other AI and just kind of writing it myself to get better acquainted with coding in general. I think it's one of the best ways to actually learn effectively. And then, solving problems on your own. Okay, so open this as F. I don't know what the R does. I don't know what the F does. Okay. It looks like we're about to expand respond to input. Oh, but we also need to make a, so we have load memory. We got to do a save memory. So we'll set this equal to that input field, or the text in the input field. If it isn't the user input, label say something master. Sir, not master, sir. And I guess return that. Yeah, this just lets me know that I have so much more to learn. Like, to generate this code from your mind without any help or input from AI crazy. It's actually response equals self generate response from user input, and then self.response label set text as response. Oh my gosh. So actually all of this I think all of this goes in the new response input. That goes in here. And then save memory is just with open. I wonder what the with does. JSON W as F JSON.dump self memory F indent equals 4. So that's the save. Do you have to import? Yeah, we gotta import JSON because it kept on looking at it weird. So now we have load memory, which is try with open this as this return load except file not found return command. Save memory also with open memory. Do this. Response equals user input field, or user input equals that in the input field. If it isn't user input, so I guess if nothing is there, it says say something, sir. Return. And then it saves this. Saves user input and commands, I guess. And then I think this has to have. See, I'm getting better. I'm getting better because I spotted that. I might have just let that rock before. So I actually calls the function instead of trying to reference it. Response is going to equal self.generate response user input. So where's generate response at? How does it? Oh, okay. Self.generate response user input as the field. And these are the parameters, self and command. And then the new generate for the else statement, we want to return stored and processed command. So if I do another else if statement, so I don't need this anymore, I guess. We'll get rid of the weather thing for now. Okay, so if that's in the command strip, so command must be defined as, where is that? was thinking it might be defined as the thing, but it might just be that by default. Command lower. Return. Jesus. Oh, length, which just means what, the amount. So I have this many commands. Oh no, this is of commands. Say something, sir, period. Is this all the spaces I did? Oh my gosh. Okay, finally. Say something, sir, period. Hello, sir. Ready for the day. History. I have 2 stored commands. So I have, it's getting the length of self.memory. Load memory. Okay, so self-memory commands, this section right here, is just the list. I guess it goes squigglies, and then you have to go parentheses, and then this. So it really all extrapolates to, we're looking at commands in self-memory, and we're looking for the length in that container, which it has 2. It has hello and history. Got you. Doctor. Is it actually? So am I. Okay, so now I want to work on giving Jarvis a temporary voice, and then expanding this memory to kind of tie in better with the responses. Yeah, I'm gonna just start with PyTTSX 3 and upgrade it later with maybe something like 11 labs. So we're gonna import X3. I think I already have it installed. Oh. Yep. I guess I should also show what I'm saying in GPT. Okay. I think I'm gonna also show what I'm doing in GPT. But yeah, I'm gonna say let's move forward with PyTCSX. Then I want to move on to creating a full and proper Jarvis memory manager with other things besides the command history. Realistic. Jarvis like jokes. So jokes section and some other helpful sections. Okay. And the reason why I type everything, even though I don't need to, is because I think it's better for my muscle memory and just understanding the code. Like I could just copy and paste it, but I want to actually kind of understand what I'm doing. So user input stays the same. If not this, then say something, sir, please. Self memory. App in user input. Self save memory. Self response. So we're really just adding 2 lines to the bottom. Self engine say response. Okay, so it gets the response and then it just says it. Self.engine run and wait. Oh, so we're gonna add another so we installed that. So inside init, oh, this is just the initial setup. Okay. Load, like what, voice engine, I guess. So engine will be I like that. So this is if we want to change the rate that it speaks at, or like how quick it speaks, how slow it speaks. Set property sound. Okay. like that. I like that. And then we'll add this for if I ever care to look at it. Voices equals get property, not set property. Okay. So if I ever do want to, look at that, there it is. I don't think I want to. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Space. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. So much better. So much better. Easier to see too when you're just like looking through the code. Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir. Ready for the day?
Okay. Now we're finna try to build the brain. I'm gonna do that off the video and kind of just show it after. But we're finna make like a memory manager kind of CPU type thing where it takes in data, processes it, and then it's like, oh, okay, you've done this for this. All right.